what's the meaning about echo, printer, printer, print. So we all see in this video. Let's start with PHP program. We have using for PHP program to run exam server. We have installed it and start the Apache server. So we write the PHP code. Echo hello. This is everyone first program line. Print hello. Print hello. Printf hello. We have saved this program. File name is data practice.php inside the folder practice. So we go for Chrome browser. We have write the localhost inside the practice, and after file name we have entered this. So we all output show in one line. So we have write echo df or break the line. Copy this and paste inside all printer. Yeah, it show the output. So what's meaning about echo and printer? So echo is basically output one or more strings. We can use more string like that. So we can use more string inside this, and print output string and return one value. Printer basically it's provide human readable like that. We are using for the information based array. Information based array. And printf basically is provided the formatted of the string. And print we have using the for output for output a string and return a value 1. And echo is output 1 or more string, first no return value. We have seen this output on the browser. Thank you guys.